guests, I, Usha Chauhan, the academic head of the school, take immense pleasure to place on table our 12th annual report of the activities and achievements of the session 2021-22. As you all know, since the academic year 2021 started almost after July due to pandemic, and the children physically started coming to school after a gap of almost 2 years. So, except academic section of this report will give you a reflection from the July 21st up to date. Right? Just give me a second, I will try to establish in 2009 under the banner of Learning Tree Educational Society with a mission to make a difference in the lives of local children. When KKCS was being conceptualized, the vision of its founder, Mrs. Aruna Kishore, was very much clear to provide all possible opportunity to create healthy, strong, disciplined, bold and competent students who would work for the betterment of the town Dabwali, state Punjab and the entire nation. With such a strong vision of our founder, KKCS has emerged as a name synonymous with the quality education that provides an environment for the holistic development of our students. Following the same pattern of producing quality, we strive for excellence in the academics as well as co-curricular areas in the recent year. In fact, beginning of this year was slightly challenging because after a gap of almost 2 years, many of the students returned with a poor base of learning. Though it took some time, but now with great contentment I affirm that we are able to bring the children back to the rhythm of learning. This could all be made possible by the dedication of our staff and you supportive parents. We had significant accomplishments during this year. Some expected, some unexpected achievements took place which I would like to share with you. Please listen carefully and you will really get section. CBSE exam, I feel proud to report that class 10th and 12th students had brought fame to the school by giving 100% pass results. 100% pass result. Please give it a big applause. Not even a single compartment, not even a single failure. This year, we presented 7th batch of class 10 students and 1st batch of class 12 students. Class 12 students now giving detail about 28 students appeared in class 12, out of which 5 passed with 90% and above marks. 90% and above. This was our first batch to parents. This was our first batch of class 12. 7 above 80% and 11 above 60%. Stream was R. In commerce stream, Miss Isha with 90% and she is a district topper also. In humanities, Mr. Kiran Jog with 93.6. Please clap for the children, they are your children. In science stream, Miss Hina with 91.8%. So we appreciate and congratulate the combined efforts of our teachers, students, parents for this wonderful result. Now moving to class 10, I feel elated to share that students of class 10 also passed with flying colors. All of them passed with first division, with 6 students getting above 90%, 14 above 80% and 25 students got above 60%. And Miss Twinkle with 92.8 secured 2nd and 3rd rank respectively. We congratulate these students for their excellent performance and extend our warm wishes for their bright future. So as far as performance of non-board classes means our in-house classes are concerned, our students definitely perform best in the area, and that we can make out whenever we send our students in the city or in the state for any inter-school competition. Our students bring fame to the school. To give an edge to our gifted students across all classes, we help them ace the various academic trials in the form of Olympiad and other competitive exams. Here I would like to invite ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, for its Yuva Vaigyanik Karyakram. And she got the opportunity to be at the Space Application Center, Ahmedabad for 15 days. It was not a small thing, guys. It was not a small thing. ISRO selected only 150 students across the country through a rigorous process. The process was not simple. And our Gurnur was among those 150 students of the country. We should feel proud of KKCS. Now coming to the general co-curricular activities, keeping in view the all-round development, KKCS students are made to participate in various competitions held in other schools or clubs wherever we get to know if there is any opportunity. Our students won prizes in inter-school painting competition, dance, handwriting competition held outside school premises. Now moving to the sports, I feel proud in sharing that our students have positioned themselves at zonal and state level competition in many sports. About 200 students participated at zonal level in different sports, out of which 180 qualified for district level. Please give them a big applause. And further 34 students for state level. Even after clearing state level, our student Nivya and Ghazal of class 7 for Carom and Gargi Soni of class 8 in skating are going to participate at national level. Being in a very small city of Punjab, to send the children to national level is not a small thing. You can make out the contribution of the parents, hard work of the students, and of course some contribution of the school. Taking initiative to get the best in sports, because playing sports teaches life lessons like discipline, responsibility, self-confidence, accountability, and teamwork. Playing sports regularly improves overall emotional well-being of those students who do not perform well in studies. Keeping all this factor in mind, this year our kind management has spent nearly 37 lakh rupees in developing national level sports festival within the school campus. Management has spent 37 lakh rupees in developing these different playgrounds. So we have facility for kho-kho, kabaddi, karate, wrestling, tracks for running, pitch net for this cricket pitch for net practice, along with the many types of courts and rings. While encouraging these children to participate more and more in sports, we always say, ध्यान से सुनिए, खेल खेल में संवरे जीवन, खेल में उपहार मिले, बने ऐसी पहचान कि सारे जहां में आपको प्यार मिले, प्रशंसा मिले, खुशियों के है रंग खिले, घर परिवार व देश भर में आपका नाम बने। तो हम पूरी तरह से बच्चों को मोटिवेट करते हैं खेलों में, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए। इसके अलावा we don't let any stone remain unturned to know the potential of our students. Therefore, try to provide all possible platforms to grow them and groom them. I am happy to share that KKCS introduced premier youth organizations like NCC, Scouts and Guides, and NSS in this year. You know very well that these organizations aim at propagating national unity and integrity among our modern youth. So here is the detail of student participation in these organizations. In NCC, 15 students participated in combined annual training camp held at Malot in June 2022. Two students, baby Navjot and baby Harmanjot, participated in TSC 1, that is Thal Sena Camp 1, held at Malot, and baby Harmanjot was selected for Thal Sena Camp 2. So please give them a big applause. In Scouts and Guide, 260 students attended the Tritya Sopan camp held in the school in the month of October 2021. 25 students, 9 teachers participated in National Scouts and Guides camp held at Kurukseong, Darjeeling in the month of December 2021. So you can see that you are in Dabwali and your students are moving in different parts of the country for achieving different marks. Now, apart from all these, the year 2021-22 was marked with joyful learning, celebration, camp competitions held at various levels and occasions. School gave due recognition to the significant national and international events by celebrating them from time to time, and glimpses of these children participating in these events were shared with you all through the WhatsApp group whenever these happened. Apart from these, some general awareness events like One Mahotsav Week, Swachhta Pakhwada, something to keep the children aware and updated about the importance of clean and green environment. No Tobacco campaign was launched by organizing a rally march by students and teachers around the city. KKCA celebrated Grandparents' Day with great enthusiasm, though we kept it restricted to the primary section only due to certain modalities. The idea was to honor grandparents, to give grandparents an opportunity to visit the school and become aware of the values we want to inculcate in their grandchildren. Children's Day which targets to raise awareness about the rights, education and welfare of the children, was celebrated in a unique way at KKCS by organizing cycle race and marathon race for our improvement in our transport facilities. Regular training of the drivers and helpers on safe driving practices is conducted in the school. School had already 30 buses and we added 6 more this time. Helpers were deployed in most of the buses. Rejigging of the routes done to reduce the travel time of the students. So school transport management of the school has been made so smooth that now you can track on the KKCS student. Regular staff meetings are conducted to evaluate the quality of the teachers' performance, and some trainings are also conducted from time to time to improve their communication skills. विद्यार्थी बन मंजिल को पाना है, राही बन मंजिल तक जाना है, माँ के सपनों को पूरा करना है, पिता की उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरना है, संघर्ष भी जीवन का हिस्सा है. For special students and the students who are lagging behind in certain subjects, these relentless efforts are yielding slow but definitely come out with a positive results because we believe मन का विश्वास, रंगों में साहस बढ़ता है, चढ़कर गिरना, गिर कर चढ़ना न अथरता है. आखिर हमारी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. प्लीज तालियां. So dear parents, your continuous feedback and support have helped us to look more ways to improve, and that improvement have made more parents to show interest in KKCS. I am happy to share that because of our hard work, dedication and KKCS, your institute gained a trust of around 30 more sector parents this year. 300 more sector parents this year. This number of new admission is perhaps the highest in this area for any school. Thank you so much for developing this bond with us.
300 न्यू एडमिशन इस बार हमें मिले हैं, जो आई थिंक इस एरिया में किसी स्कूल को नहीं मिले होंगे। ये आप लोगों के सपोर्ट की वजह से संभव हो पाया है। एंड as of now we have 1151 students enrolled, 71 teaching staff and 54 non-teaching staff enrolled. So we want nothing else but to see KKCS students achieving unparalleled success. उसके लिए हम कुछ भी करेंगे। वर्मा जी, Director Mrs. Meenakshi, it is their vision which is inspiring and encouraging you every day. I thank Almighty God for the blessings bestowed upon us year after year throughout these 12 years. Now मैं आपके समक्ष शिक्षा प्रचार लाइन पेश करना चाहूँगी। प्लीज ध्यान से सुनिए। शिक्षा दृढ़ संकल्प, समर्पण, त्याग करना सिखाती है। जीवन में क्या गलत क्या सही का पाठ पढ़ाती है। आओ करें संकल्प, अपने को ज्ञानी बनाएंगे। अपने भारत को सोने की चिड़िया एक बार फिर से बनाएंगे। तालियां तालियां प्लीज। With this I conclude the report. Thank you so much. जय KKCS, जय हिंद, जय भारत। अब 3 बार आप एक बार प्लीज मेरे साथ बोलेंगे। मैं बोलूंगी KKCS, आप बोलो, आप बोलेंगे बड़े चलो बड़े चलो। KKCS, 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 thank you so much, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this